Hello everybody, this is Throne Orc here, giving you guys a little video tutorial today. And this video tutorial is going to be for a friend. And this is going to be how to connect your GameCube controller, how to play Rivals of Aether with your GameCube controller, like on Steam. So first of all, I'm going to unplug my stuff. So first things first is you're going to load up Rivals of Aether. This is just going to be a short tutorial, so I think actually once it gets loaded here, I'll maximize the image. So if your controller's not working, you're going to be in keyboard mode. So you're going to press Z. I thought that was a 2 for a minute the first time I played. So you're going to press Z, and we're in keyboard mode right now, which is actually not what we want. So we're going to go down, use the arrow keys, and go to Options. And you see on controller mode, it's set to deep input. This is what we want after we plug in our controller. But so next things next is we're going to plug in our adapter, or you can just plug in your GameCube controller USB. If you have a GameCube controller USB with the USB port like at the end of it, you don't have to download anything. You just need to plug it in so that like the game recognizes that the controller is ready. So we're gonna take our 2 ports and we're gonna plug them in. Oops. Hear that sound? And if you notice that down here, it's actually set to X input, which is actually not what we want. Because X input is used by Xbox gamepads, and we're on a GameCube controller. So if I'm moving my control stick, I can't really move because in X input, the game doesn't recognize the controller because it's automatically set to an Xbox controller. So how to fix this is we're still in keyboard mode. So you want to go to controller mode and press Z. And we will be in dinput mode, I like to call it that. And when we're in dinput mode, you can see player 2 is right there, because player 1 is being held by keyboard. So, oh, I didn't notice there was a player 3. So now when your controller is in dinput mode, then the game recognizes your GameCube controller, because dinput will be used by non-Xbox gamepads, so then your controller will pretty much work. Then next you'll go to gamepad or profile, and you can really just kind of like fuss around with these actually. So like go to your profile, you can pick your name, and because you actually do want to, like if you're playing competitively, you do kind of want to make your name and set your settings, because if you don't, then you'll be set to default, which we don't want. So, and I'll give you guys a little demonstration of what this looks like. So now our GameCube controller is finally working. And there we go. That is how you fix your GameCube controller adapter and play with the GameCube controller. Okay, hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. And I'll see you guys later.